Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to download and install WhatsApp on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. There are different ways to install WhatsApp application on a macOS. I'll show you two methods. First one is using App Store. Simply open Apple App Store. Here search for WhatsApp. From the search result, simply select WhatsApp Messenger application and click on the install button. If it asks you to enter your system password, simply enter it and it will download and install WhatsApp Messenger application on your Mac. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, you can simply click on open, or else you can open it from App Launcher. Click on App Launcher icon. Here look for WhatsApp and open it. Here we have the welcome screen. Click on continue. Now we have to scan this QR code using our existing WhatsApp account. For that, simply open WhatsApp on your phone, go to settings and look for link devices option and scan this QR code. After that, you are ready to use WhatsApp on your Mac. There is also another method to use WhatsApp. For that, you don't need to install WhatsApp application on your Mac. You can simply open any browser. Let me open Safari browser. Visit web.whatsapp.com and you can simply scan this QR code. However, if you don't want to visit web.whatsapp.com every time, then you can simply add this website to your dock. For that, click on File option. Here look for Add to Dock option and click on Add. And here we have WhatsApp Web PWA application. To use it, simply open the PWA application of WhatsApp. It will open in separate window, functioning like native WhatsApp application. Now, in order to use it, you have to follow the same method. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, look for link devices and scan this QR code to use it. So that's it. These are the few methods to download and install WhatsApp on Mac. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.